Hey guys, welcome back to a end of the season video
It's supposed to be an end of the season video.
of the garden season.
Okay.
So I thought we'd do something a little fun. I know you looked at it like it's not fun.
This sounds way too much like work.
So, and I hate when I say so, and I keep saying so. I thought we could talk about our top 3 faves and our lessons learned. I took a much longer video a week ago or so, or 2 weeks ago, and it's just boring. So I thought this was probably better because I want to get this out there for everybody.
Okay.
So, I keep saying so. My top 3. Can you guess? From the garden?
No.
Okay, I'll write them. You want to hold the camera? You can. I made notes. Surprisingly, it's not potatoes.
Okay.
It's on there, but potato comes second. Does it have an E on the end? I just went blank.
What, potato?
Yeah.
I think that's good.
So there's my top 3.
Oh, this is about favorite produce?
Yes. So my top 3 was, surprisingly, the little cherry, not cherry, well, it was cherry tomato, but they were yellow and they were so...
Those guys.
Yeah, they were on that one, which is going to be made compost here today. They were no joke. They were like candy. Okay, so what were your top 3 faves?
Well, I guess I agree with that one.
Okay.
Potatoes are killer.
Yeah.
Well, cucumbers.
I mean, it's hard to pick a top 3 because,
Yeah.
I mean, the peppers were also good. So, and it's a little chilly out here. So what about lessons learned?
We need a bigger garden. Well,
But yeah,
Wouldn't
we
you
need a
think?
bigger garden. Lessons learned. I'll write this on the board. One lesson learned is to plant the potatoes earlier, but I still think
that too.
the harvest came out great. I can't imagine having more.
Well,
Than what we did.
If the far end was
Yes.
planted first.
So we
then-
should have planted the far end first. I'll put a
because
picture and show
the
you.
first harvest of the Huckleberry Gold wasn't so great
Yeah.
because of that.
And the second lessons learned would be to plant more of a variety of cucumbers and not all pickling because of the cucumber beetle. So,
Okay.
and then my,
And something is not right with the mulberry trees.
yeah. We need help, guys. The mulberry trees did not come back. No, but the third lessons learned, I think, is just keep growing more good dirt and keep working on a compost, because that is really key. Just having the dirt that has the good nutrients for the vegetables to grow.
Yep.
I think that would be the top 3.
Can we
So,
have lunch now?
so I'll get this video going. I'm gonna show you a few pictures from the beginning of the season to the end of the season, and we'll finish off this video with our potato harvest. So come along and enjoy our wrap up overview of our garden season this year.
We need to harvest the peanuts. They're underground, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, we should see whether they're peanuts.
Okay. Guys, I think we know how to grow carrots.
Well, at least white carrots. I don't know how far down they go.
But why don't our carrots, somebody can help us out. Why can't we grow carrots that grow really skinny and long? Because this is a raised bed. The dirt's not compact. It's not clay, but they still just grow stumpy. That is a big carrot, sweetie.
Yeah.
And the smell of sage is so good. Really wish this could be smell vision.
Go ahead.
And in between those recaps of each month, I'm going to throw in some more of our cooking times that we had. So it's going to be a little of garden, a little cooking, a little garden, a little cooking. So you get the gist. Come along, enjoy. You have to see me picture. Licky guys, Cook's back in the kitchen making another great dish. So this is something you had a lot with your mom made?
Yes.
This is a common dish.
Supposedly my brother Martin does not know it.
He does not know this dish. No. And,
So I'm not sure.
by the way, the monks put away their medals from last week. And the salad, the pepper, the
Just
tomato.
The cucumbers are not from the garden.
So the
Actually,
red
onions
onion.
not either.
But at least it's half and half, if not more of the veggies are from the garden than not. And we got some beautiful herbs too. So let's dig in. Salad from the garden,
Yeah?
onion, lettuce, and then we're still digging through tomatoes.
Yes.
It's gonna be it. Where's the pepper? Ah, it's gonna be a sad day, sweetie, when we can't go out and pick our goodies.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long winter. Okay, I'm still trying to finish chores from the weekend that I didn't finish. I'm behind, including a video. Chopping. But it looks beautiful. Fresh lettuce and peppers and tomatoes from the garden, even in the end of September on the third day of autumn. And good old spinach dip from Trader Joe's too.
Yes. And now let's dig in.
Get right to it. Gotta eat.
Yes, I can hear you.
I wish it could be smell vision.
I guess we eat here.
Yeah. Yes, we have shrimp. We have roasted carrots from the garden.
Tarragon and white wine.
White wine. Oh, okay.
Tarragon.
Okay. And we just have some noodles in here with the pesto cube from the garden. Yum. And I'm trying to get a bug, I think. Maybe good home cooking of sweeties will help. Okay.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Good meal, sweetie. Good meal.
Do you want puny carrot? She's skeptical. Let's put it that way.
We'll see. I'm sure it's gonna be great.
The tarragon scares her.
Yes. So good appetit.
Good.
It's potato harvest time again. Let's see what we get this time. I'm excited. And we've removed the drip line. Now Edwin says it's time to dig.
Oh, look at it. There's already one right here. There's another one. Man, some big ones here.
Some beautiful ones.
This I think that's snapdragon.
Snapdragon volunteer that you just removed.
Well, we can plant it somewhere. Wow, look at there.
Can you take a picture?
Oh,
Where's your phone?
it's right here, but I have my hands dirty.
Me too. Hold on, I'll get it. Looky. Oh, I think that's the largest we've ever grown. Even though we were late getting them in the ground. I think those are the German ones too. I'll have to look to see. So. Well, it doesn't look like they're going down very far. I guess our soil is harder than I thought. Maybe that's why we get such stubby carrots.
Right up there, plant. But they're nice ones.
They're beautiful. And there's a little wormy. You need to go over here if you're gonna get cut up by the shovel. They're beautiful. I think they're the prettiest ones we've ever had, Edwin.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the purple ones, but should we maybe dig here where we didn't dig before? Look at all those roots, though. Now we're getting into that dirt that was not so great when we filled the beds up. Even though we bought the real expensive dirt, it was not very good. So make your own dirt.
You there?
Looky there. Oh, and that's where you hit the shovel.
That little shovel. I think that is the original potato.
Oh, that's the original.
I think.
Yeah.
The seedling potato. Here's another one.
Here, give me that, you know. Put it in the compost. Okay. Look at that beautiful mess. Looky there.
Potatoes!
Hold on, let me get a picture. Hey guys, that's what we've come up with so far. Even planting late and not planting as many plants either. This is the last one. Making sure we didn't miss any.
Alright.
Let's see what the last one gives us. Da, da, da. Pretty again. Wow, even that far over. Yeah, they're staying close to the surface. Whoops, there's one. Looky.
Oh, that's just the tip of the iceberg there.
Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Okay, let's see what happens when he gets it out of the dirt, guys.
Ooh, looky there.
Awesome. Wow, that one is big. Great. Any more hiding?
Let me, don't disturb. I'll just go under there.
Okay. Well, that wraps up the potato harvest of 23. Not too shabby for a late start. Plus we already had that small batch of purple ones we got dug out earlier. Guys, like I've said before, if anybody knows how to grow skinny carrots.
You can only grow fat ones that are short and stubby.
Yep, but they're still good. He's going in. Maybe we need to thin them out more?
Well, I had thinned and thinned on those.
Yeah.
Oops.
Is that good
Good
enough?
enough,
Oh yeah.
I guess, for
Look at
tonight.
that. Okay guys, we've zeroed the scale out to only have the weight of the taters. You've got it on kilograms.
Oh no. I guess we're gonna have to figure that one out, huh?
Can we change it now?
Yes, we can change it.
There. Better. Well, I'm sorry. I grew up on the Imperial system, even though I know it's not very user-friendly. Are you going to do 2 bags? You're
Yes.
almost at 10 pounds. Now you're over 10.
Yes, I think I'm gonna leave it at that.
So let me get a picture. 11.31. Hold on. Hey guys, bag number 2.
It's a half a pound, more than a half pound on potato.
This one is even heavier than the other.
I mean, these little ones are
13.55. Hold on. There, I want to get pictures, please. $25 pounds of potato harvest from 4 plants. That was the last 4 plants. First, I want to apologize for going to Edwin as I wanted to get a picture. So sorry, sweetie, for asking you to hold off or to wait, or being rude and asking to wait so I could get a picture. Second, kudos to us for planting late and still getting 25 pounds of beautiful potatoes, and we are enjoying them. They're so good. The German butterball is what they're called. We'll wrap up this week's video of a beautiful moonrise and time lapse, and we still have a itty bit more of the garden as it wraps up. So I hope you enjoyed that little overview, and we're excited to bring you with exciting news to come of how we're going to grow bigger gardens, but also to start sharing some more on the pantry build and more on our solar setup. So until next time, everybody, take care. Have a great week. Hey guys, yes, it's dark, but it's a beautiful big full moon, but we can't turn that light off on there. Sorry, it's on a sensor, but if we do that, that's the moon, but I don't think you can see much of it. We might try to do a time lapse. It's a beautiful night. It's the last day in September, and trying to see. It's the last day in September, and it's 67 degrees in Michigan. Last day of September 2023 and 67 degrees. Wow. Okay guys, can you hold that, sweetie, quickly? Okay, there's our wrap up. Until next year.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. It's a garden wrap. We may have a few blurbs from the garden, but it's mainly a wrap. Time to get on to the kitchen build and other exciting projects that we get to fill you guys in on soon. And some big news at that.